Once upon a time, nestled between dreams and reality, there lived a child who was always brimming with curiosity. Their world was filled with wonder, especially when it came to the myriad of sounds that surrounded them. They could spend hours just listening to these sounds, each one a tiny adventure waiting to be discovered. One day, while exploring their own little corner of the world, they stumbled upon something truly magical. Hidden behind a veil of cascading vines was a shimmering portal that seemed to hum with an otherworldly melody. Intrigued beyond measure, the child reached out, their fingers parting the veils like threads of moonlight, and stepped into the unknown. And wouldn't you know it, they found themselves transported to a whimsical island where every sound told a tale as old as time. This was the enchanting island of strange sounds, a place where the ordinary rules of the world seemed to take a backseat and anything could happen. The child gasped in awe as they took their first steps onto this extraordinary island. Before them stood a gigantic tree, unlike any they had ever seen before. Its leaves rustled, not in the wind, but in what sounded like a beautiful melody. It was as though the tree itself was singing a song as old as the island. As the child drew closer, they realized that the melody wasn't just a random assortment of notes, but was actually a harmonious blend of laughter, joy, contentment, and peace. And then it hit them. The tree wasn't just singing. It was expressing a range of human emotions through its song. Each note, each trill, and modulation resonated with a particular feeling, creating a symphony of the heart. This revelation filled the child with an overwhelming sense of wonder and excitement. They couldn't help but tap their toes and sway to the tree's enchanting tune, their own hearts singing along in response. Suddenly, a gentle breeze brushed against the child's face, carrying with it the scent of 1,000 blooming flowers. But what truly captured their attention was the sound that accompanied the breeze, a hearty, infectious laughter that echoed across the island. Curious to find the source of this mirthful music, the child followed the sound, their eyes sparkling with intrigue. As they ventured deeper into the island's mystical embrace, the laughter grew louder, transforming into a chorus of joyous peals. Then, as if summoned by the very essence of laughter itself, a group of fluffy white clouds appeared overhead. They danced and twirled in the azure expanse, morphing into whimsical shapes that mirrored the joyous cacophony below. The clouds were having a grand celebration, each puff of air joining in the merry symphony. The child stood transfixed, their hearts swelling with happiness as they watched and listened to the mirthful revelry of the clouds. In that moment, the boundaries between the real and the imaginary blurred, and the child felt as though they had stepped into a realm where joy knew no bounds. With renewed energy, the child continued their exploration, eager to uncover more of the island's melodious secrets. As they journeyed further, the landscape began to shift, the terrain undulating like waves frozen in time. In the distance, the child spotted something that resembled a vast, unending ocean, yet it was strangely still. Its waves locked in an eternal hush. Drawn to its mysterious stillness, the child approached, their footsteps echoing softly on the strange sandy shore. As they drew closer, the waves began to stir, not with crashing roars or angry hisses, but with gentle whispers that seemed to carry secrets from the deepest recesses of the sea. The child leaned in, their ears attuned to the ocean's hushed murmurs. And suddenly they understood. The whispers weren't just random murmurs. They were fragments of dreams, hopes, and wishes carried on the tide. Each wave whispered a different tale, each one as unique and precious as the stars in the night sky. The ocean wasn't just a body of water. It was a repository of dreams, a silent witness to the hopes that flickered in the hearts of those who dreamed. Touched by the ocean's melancholic symphony, the child felt a profound sense of empathy wash over them. They realized that sometimes dreams, like ocean waves, could be both beautiful and heartbreaking, yet no less important for their fragility. Standing at the edge of the whispering ocean, the child pondered the depth of emotions that could be expressed through sound. It was as if the very essence of the island was a grand orchestra, each instrument playing a unique melody that contributed to the island's magical harmony. The sun began its slow descent, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple. As the child continued their exploration, they noticed a change in the atmosphere, a shift from the boisterous exuberance of earlier to a more subdued tranquility. As they walked, the sound of crickets and the soft rustling of leaves replaced the earlier cacophony, creating an ambience of peaceful serenity. The once vibrant colors of the island seemed to dim, not in a sad or depressing way, but in a gentle, comforting manner that invited rest and relaxation. The child realized that the island wasn't just a place of loud, exuberant joy. It was also a sanctuary of quiet contentment, a place where the soft whispers of life were just as cherished as its resounding laughter. In the distance, the child spotted a small cottage, nestled amidst a grove of trees. The roof was adorned with a carpet of moss, and the walls were draped with climbing vines, giving it an air of timeless tranquility. As the child approached, they could hear the faint strains of a harp, each note resonating with a soothing calmness that seemed to envelop the surrounding woods. Drawn to the cottage's peaceful aura, the child stepped closer, their senses lulled by the enchanting melody. The sound of the harp wasn't just music. It was a lullaby, a gentle invitation to rest and let go of the day's adventures. As the final notes faded into the twilight, the child felt an overwhelming urge to close their eyes and drift into a peaceful slumber. It was as though the harp's music had a magical quality that soothed the soul and calmed the mind. The child entered the cottage and was met with a sight that brought a smile to their face. Inside, curled up on a cozy rug, were several adorable animals fast asleep. A fluffy white rabbit, a wise old owl, and even a playful squirrel were all dozing peacefully, their dreams no doubt filled with the sweet strains of the harp's music. The child, filled with a sense of tranquility, decided to join the slumbering animals. They snuggled into the soft rug, their eyelids growing heavy with sleep. The sound of the harp continued to resonate in their ears, each note a soft caress that guided them into the realm of dreams. As the child closed their eyes that night, the island's magical sounds sang them to sleep. The laughing breeze, the singing tree, the whispering ocean, and the lullaby of the harp wove together a harmonious symphony that lulled them into a deep, dreamless sleep. In the world of dreams, the child continued their adventures, exploring uncharted territories and embracing the boundless possibilities that lay before them. The sounds of the island of strange sounds echoed in their dreams, reminding them that emotions, like music, could touch, heal, and inspire. And when the morning light finally touched the tip of the child's eyelashes, they awoke with a refreshed spirit, ready to face the day with a newfound appreciation for the music that filled their life. Now, whenever the child heard a strange sound, instead of being startled, they remembered their adventure on the island of strange sounds. They knew that every sound had a story to tell, a feeling to express, or a dream to share. And with a curious heart and a listening ear, they embraced the symphony of life, knowing that each note, whether loud or soft, added to the beautiful melody of their existence.